देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई।
Very good, come on.
हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
Parents, come on, you can sing along.
सापा धारे गारे गामा पासा बम 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 बोले बम चिक बोले और मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए, हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
Wonderful, wonderful performance.
Well, I'm not sure if all parents agree with me, but we at Eurokids believe every child is unique. And the phrase one size fits all doesn't really match what we believe. Education is the act of learning things around us. It helps us to easily understand and deal with any problem and makes balance throughout the whole life in every aspect. Education is the first and foremost right of every human being. Without education, we are incomplete and our lives are rather incomprehensible. Education helps us to set a goal and go ahead by working on that throughout the life. Well, now we have an act called Jame Raho. It's about how two children are very different in their own thoughts and they're in the same house, and how the mother is responding differently to each child. And India is a land of diversity. We're also showing that India's diversity is very big. It's diverse in race, in region, in caste, language, mate, landform, flora, fauna, and so on.
जूता कस के बेल्ट, खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट, मंजिल को चली सवारी, कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी। हाथ में फाइल, मन में दम, मीलों मील चलेंगे हम, हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे, टस से मस ना होंगे हम। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, आगे रहने की है टेंशन, मेहनत इनको प्यारी है, एकदम आज्ञाकारी है, आज्ञाकारी है। ये ऑमलेट पर ही जीते हैं, ये टॉनिक सारे पीते हैं, वक्त पे सोते वक्त पे खाते, तान के सीना बढ़ते जाते। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल
नाज है, जैसे छिड़ता कोई साज है, हर काम को टाला करते हैं, ये सपने पाला करते हैं।
ये हरदम सोचा करते हैं, ये खुद से पूछा करते हैं, क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो।
ये वक्त के कभी गुलाम नहीं, इन्हें किसी बात का ध्यान नहीं, तितली से मिलने जाते हैं, ये पेड़ों से बतियाते हैं, ये हवा बटोरा करते हैं, बारिश की बूंदे पड़ते हैं, और आसमान के कैनवस पे ये कलाकारियां करते हैं।
क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, क्यों दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, क्यों मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो।
खुल गया आसमां का रास्ता, देखो खुल गया, मिल गया, खो गया था जो सितारा, मिल गया, मिल गया, रोशन हुई सारी जमीन, जगमग हुआ सारा जहां, हो उड़ने को तू आजाद है, बंधन को ही अब है कहाँ। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां, तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
शिक्षा के लेके सारे उजाले, कल हर दिशा में तुम हो जाने वाले, कल तुम ही होगे जग को संभाले, तैयारी इसकी करो। हम आज की बेटियां, हम आज के बेटे सारे, पर्वत भी ना रोक पाए, हम है वो मजबूत धारे, कठिनाइयों में भी होंगे पूरे इरादे हमारे, सबके लिए हो जो सुख जो खुशी, हम बुलाएंगे जग में, हम दीप शिक्षा के हैं, जगमगाएंगे जग में।
Parents, that was a concept by our teachers. A very big round of applause for them. How many of you understood the concept? Did you understand? So we wanted to show you how unique children are. Our approach towards each child has to be different, and that's what we believe very strongly at EuroKids and EdSmart. One size fits all, like Devesh just said, it never works. One size cannot fit all children. So that kind of education, that stereotypical education is what we are changing now. We want to adapt to children, we want to give them the best, give them their space and time, and hence we wanted to portray and show you a little scenario of a home where there are two different children and both needs have to be addressed. So, and in this, as we talk about teachers and the way they nurture, love, what we all do, as part of this, we wanted to appreciate and felicitate few teachers who have completed 3 years with us. It is a tradition that we always felicitate teachers who have completed 3 years. So we have a couple of teachers. I would like to call them on stage. We would like to call Lata teacher. Fine. We would like to call our director Safi Kadri and Valli, our center head, to felicitate our teachers. Mrs. Valli, Mr. Safi, and Lata teacher. Lata teacher is known for her sweetness. She is a teacher who's been with us for the last 3 years. Very adorable, very caring. One of our strongest pillars of EuroKids in EdSmart Global. She's done a fantastic job all these years. And thank you, Lata. Probably this is just an appreciation, but I guess you deserve more. Thank you so much. Would like to call Pyari teacher. As the name says, Pyari, she's very pyari, she's very adorable. An extremely a teacher with very high levels of patience. Any scenario in nursery, she will say, don't worry, I will take care of it. It could be a crying child, it could be any scenario, and she just is there. Thank you, Pyari. And she's always punctual. One thing I must say, she's always punctual. She's always on time. And the last 3 years, not just 1 day or 2 day or 1 month, all 3 years. Thank you so much. I would like to call Chandra. Chandra teacher is a Euro Junior teacher. Again, very accommodative, very patient, she puts in her whole heart when she does things. Even if there's a child about who's not writing, she will say, don't worry, I will make him write. Whatever is the scenario, with great patience, great calm, she does her work. Big round of applause to her. Thank you. Rama, Sridevi teacher. Sridevi teacher. Sridevi is known for being very soft. Let it be a parent who is with high anxiety, or let it be Swarna. Anybody she can handle with great calm, great patience, extremely soft-spoken. However tough the parent-teacher meeting is, she will always answer with a smile. So that's how Sridevi is. Great job, Sridevi. Yeah, thank you. Next we have Rama. Pasha sir. Rama has a multi-role that she plays. She helps playgroup, she helps our extended care. She's an extremely patient teacher. She talks very less, but every time you give her some responsibility, she does it with a lot of diligence. Good job, Rama. Thank you. I hope all of you know Pasha. Anybody who doesn't know Pasha? Okay, our key pillar of school. Without him, I guess we would not have existed at all. This is his 10th year with us. It's almost 10 years, a decade that he's been with us. And a big round of applause, yes. Yeah, more than a decade he's with us. Yeah. Thank you, Pasha. Pasha talks very less, nods more. When he has to say no, he will nod it very properly, no. And when it is about cash, he will say this always, no. Yeah, thank you. That's all, thank you.
Do you remember playing with water? Oh, our children just love it. They love to swim, splash and play with water. Let's join our hands and have a little fun with water and wishes for life. Arav, Prisha Oja, Mokshagnya, Akshay Reddy, Pranjali Gupta, Elena, Mishka, Hannah, Adwaya, Chakrika and Ashrit.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। आशा, दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा। गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम।
Zubidu param.
Parents, if you know the lyrics, sing along.
Zubi pampara, zubi param pam. Zubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zubi pampara, zubi param pam. Zubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवाने किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे।
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 zubi dubi pampara, zubi param pam.
Zubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi pampara, zubi param pam. Zubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man.
In a children's world of joy, imagination, love, dance and play, the next most important thing is their favorite cartoon characters. As we talk about imagination, let's take you on a little adventurous fun journey of ice and snow with our child's favorite character, Chota Bheem. Welcome our nursery children with Zip Zap Zoom. Brahim, Kavyashri, Advik, Arjun, Ashi, Angel, Pearl, Ramit, Dhruv and Harshini.
खूब मजे करेंगे मिलके
up our nursery children to inspire us to dance now. Welcome our little dancers. Welcome our little dancers. Akshat, Akshat Arora, Gagan, Adrija, Swara, Prisha, Kea, Sanvi, Sahasra, Aradhya, Vishant and Dharmik.